show you how to assemble and fit this genuine Ford roof bar kit. You have to get the bracket that fastens to the roof, slide it in and then twist to lock it into position. Then it'd be easy if you lay it down on the floor so you can get the bolt all lined up. With the two washers on, one's a locking washer, one's a flat washer. Get your Allen key, insert it through the hole, and then that fastens into the bracket below the frame. And then just loosely tighten it. You don't need to tighten it up all the way for now. Remove the sealant that covers the captive bolt that's fastened in the roof lining. If you just get a knife and make two cuts in the centre, going the length of the core, on either side of the sealant. They want to be approximately 2 centimetres long. And then if you get a flat blade screwdriver, like this one here, and you just press down onto the sealant, and carefully dig out the sealant. This is a replacement roof trim. It just slides in. Then you get your flat blade screwdriver and just turn 90 degrees clockwise, and then that's fitted.